Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might find yourself needing to move your Cardano, ADA, from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of transferring ADA from XMO to Binance. This step-by-step guide is designed to be straightforward, secure, and hassle-free, so you can focus on growing your crypto portfolio without any headaches. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few basics sorted out. You'll need an active account on both XMO and Binance, with some ADA sitting in your XMO wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, on both platforms. It's a game-changer for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Oh, and keep an eye on any network fees. Cardano uses the blockchain, so transactions aren't free. Alright, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Balances section and select your ADA. Next, click on the Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to enter the wallet address from Binance. To get that, quickly switch to your Binance account, go to your ADA wallet, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's for the Cardano network. Mixing up networks is a common mistake that can lead to lost funds. Step 2. Back in XMO, paste that Binance address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of ADA you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for those network fees. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so verify that before proceeding. Once submitted, your transaction will be broadcast to the Cardano blockchain, which usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Step 3. While you wait, hop back to Binance and check your wallet. You should see the ADA arriving soon. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it time and maybe refresh the page. Pro tip. Always use the blockchain explorer like CardanoScan to track your transaction and ensure it's confirmed. Finally, once your ADA is safely in Binance, you're all set. This process is quick and efficient, but always prioritize security. Never share your keys or use public Wi-Fi for these transfers. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep the conversation going.